to my channel, and in this video I am making a half birthday naked cake. So if you want to see how it turned out, just keep on watching, and remember to please subscribe, share, hit that like button, comment, do all that fun stuff that will support my channel. I will greatly appreciate it. So let's get started with the video. The first thing we are going to do is make the cake. The instructions for any kind of cake will be in the back of the box, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me make the cake part. Since we're making a half birthday cake, I only put half the batter into the 8-inch round and then bake it twice. It will be easier if you have two 8-inch rounds, but we did not, so we only had one and we just baked it twice. And you guys see here, we are going to garnish it with some lemons. So you can see right here how she's just cutting it in half and then just twisting it just like that, and we're going to put it right on top of the cake. You guys will see that later on in this video. Also, oh my god guys, we didn't have a ruler, so we had to create a ruler because we wanted to cut the cake in half but equally. So this spatula only had a ruler on it that was 6 inches. So right now my sister-in-law is taking an aluminum foil just to make the aluminum foil 8 inches. That way we have, I guess you could just call it a ghetto ruler. So once we got that to 8 inches, we made sure that we measured out in the middle, which is 4 inches, and then just cut the cake. And you guys will see how that's what it is. We just made a ghetto ruler and cut the cake in half so it could be perfectly split in half. We are going to try to make the top part of the cakes as flat as possible, and as you can see here, she is cutting the top off to make it as smooth as possible as we can, because we're going to stack it up. It doesn't necessarily have to be extremely perfect, because when we frost it, we're going to just fill in the gaps that are, like, I guess, showing. So I did have help, obviously, because you know that's not me, but I got my sister-in-law and my niece to help me create this cake, because it is our first time doing it, and we thought it would just be a fun project for my niece's half birthday shoot that will be posted next Monday. So if you guys want to see like a behind the scenes, just wait until next Monday and you guys can see a little glimpse of what I do when I do photography in a way. So you guys see here, we're just putting some parchment paper on the cake stand so the frosting doesn't go on the cake stand, which at the end of the day you could just like remove it if it gets too messy. Right now I am layering all the layers with frosting in between, as you guys could see here, and it doesn't really have to be perfect because towards the end we're gonna make it all look nice and nice, you know. Yes, living in your messages every day now I confess. It is a half a cake, it wasn't really that sturdy, and you guys, we made a half a cake because obviously it represents half a year, and we put the straws in the actual cake so it could be more sturdy when I am frosting it, and that's the way to do it. Just put the straw in there, raise it up a little bit, and then cut it where it is good and push it right back in. Now it's time to start frosting. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just frost as much as you can, put as much frosting as you can on the cake. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Done, and it begins the fun fun part where you just take a flat spatula. It doesn't have to be a specific kind, as long as the spatula is as flat as possible. And you see me here is just pretty much taking all the frosting off. So if you could just see here, like as I am swiping it off, like you could start seeing the nakedness coming out. How cute. And you just keep scraping the frosting off until you have like the desired look you are going for. And I honestly thought it came out so perfect for being the first time we've ever done this. Also guys, you could also make the top part more flatter, but we decided just to keep it a little tiny bit round because it's not completely round, but it's a good amount. Like, trust me guys, this came out so good. And you guys, you don't have to frost the back of it because like I stated before, this represents half a year, so you're pretty much seeing a half a cake. It doesn't have to be frosted at the, I think it gives it a unique little cute little look, you know what I mean? So once you got the desired look you were going for, you just start decorating all cute and nice, you know. This cake was just for a photo shoot for my niece, like I stated before. So we put some artificial little flowers because technically she wasn't going to eat it or anything. So we just put some artificial flowers, and then you guys will see pretty soon, as we put the flowers, we're going to put some lemons right around the bottom edges and also right on top. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys see how we decorate it.
Like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel, so divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze in a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, yeah, girl, you know I miss you. Slide talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind.
So far it's looking pretty good, and like it was shown before with the lemons, we ended up using some toothpicks just to kind of keep the lemons from not falling. So that's what we are going to do in just a few seconds, just stick it in with toothpicks, so you know, so it can be sturdy guys. It came out absolutely gorgeous. We fell in love with it. Kind of was sad that, you know, it was a little bit destroyed with the cake smash part, but it still came out pretty good, and we were really proud of ourselves.
Girl, you know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. Oh yeah. You know I miss you, baby. You know I miss you. You know I miss you. And I said, darling, oh darling, you are all I want for sure. All I want for sure, darling. In your arms I feel secure. I feel secure, darling. I'm feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, darling, you give me everything and more. I said, darling, girl, you know I miss you. Oh, baby.
That is how the cake ended up looking. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. We fell in love with it. I tell you guys, this is like so pretty. At least we thought so. It's very pretty, you know what I mean? If you guys wait towards the end of the video, you'll see some little still shots because, oh my god guys, like this is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, come on now, isn't that gorgeous? Let me that's it. Like, it's super cute, super easy, and very affordable guys. Like, I think I want to start making more cakes like this all the time. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger